Hello and welcome back to Crypto Lion. The price of Dogecoin soared after Elon Musk underlined his power as a market tipster by tweeting about it. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that like button and hit subscribe and that notification bell so you know whenever we upload a new video. Dogecoin's price rose by 50% on the 4th of February shortly after Musk, the chief executive of Tesla and the world's richest person, tweeted that Dogecoin is the people's crypto. Dogecoin jumped to 5.7 cents according to data on blockchain and cryptocurrency website CoinDesk. Musk first tweeted Doge and immediately followed up with Dogecoin is the people's crypto. The Tesla chief's tweets about certain companies and cryptocurrencies have sent their prices soaring in recent weeks. Shares in GameStop, Etsy, and CD Projekt have jumped following comments on his Twitter account about them. No highs, no lows, only Doge, he added. He also tweeted a meme featuring himself and Dogecoin in Disney's The Lion King. Dogecoin, which uses a Shiba Inu dog meme as its logo, was started in 2013 as a joke after the invention of Bitcoin prompted a wave of imitator cryptocurrencies. However, the joke caught on, and the coins had a market value of $6.3 billion on Thursday morning, according to CoinMarketCap.com, a cryptocurrency data provider. The value of a single coin rose to 5.2 cents that Thursday morning, up by almost 3 cents in 24 hours. The volume of trading more than tripled over the course of the day. Musk has long been a prolific user of social media, with a familiarity with online culture that is unusual among prominent chief executives. He had vowed on Tuesday to take a break from Twitter before returning with comments that pumped up the value of Dogecoin. Musk had tweeted Dogecoin is the people's crypto along with other posts such as Sandstorm is a masterpiece, a possible reference to the 1999 song by Darude. He also removed the reference to Bitcoin from his Twitter bio page. After languishing in relative internet obscurity, Dogecoin is riding a wave of newfound popularity this year after being promoted by Musk, as well as other internet influencers. In late January, prices were less than 1 penny. He added that the most ironic outcome would be Dogecoin becoming the currency of Earth in the future. Cryptocurrencies are gaining traction with more mainstream investors. The euphoria boosted the total market value of all cryptocurrencies above $1 trillion for the first time earlier in January. In recent weeks, Musk's tweets and comments have moved financial markets. At the height of the retail share trading mania surrounding GameStop, a US video game retailer, he tweeted GameStonk, a reference to stock market memes. How Redditors also helped Dogecoin to develop its own subculture in 2013. The digital currency instantly exploded on Reddit, generating a market value of $8 million at the time. It became popular for the internet practice of tipping, which was a way of repaying people on the web for performing good deeds, like sharing an idea or making a platform more accessible. Only about a week after launching, Dogecoin became the second most tipped currency, according to Insider. The digital currency has long contributed to a culture that distinguishes itself by a sort of irreverence for institutions like Wall Street. It's not surprising Reddit users would take up the stock alongside GameStop and AMC in trading against big hedge funds. Dogecoin developed its own subculture of sorts in 2013, largely due to the currency having a lower barrier of entry than Bitcoin for people who might be interested in cryptocurrencies. It's not taking itself as seriously, it's not being used by people worrying about whether they'll become rich. It's something to share for thanks or kudos. At that time, its creators said they had no plans to compete with cryptocurrency giant Bitcoin, but in 2014, the trading volume of the meme-worthy coin briefly eclipsed Bitcoin and all other digital currencies. A year later, one of its creators took an extended leave of absence from the company, as he said the cryptocurrency environment had grown increasingly serious and toxic. In 2017, the currency crossed a new milestone, $2 billion market value. Dogecoin price prediction. Crypto Rating presents the comprehensive Dogecoin price prediction and forecast that provides a better insight into the current Doge market situation, also future expectations concerning the price action and Dogecoin market capitalization. It will help get a grasp of what's going on in the crypto market right now, adjust the trading strategy accordingly, and make calculated investment and trading decisions in the future. Dogecoin is a mineable coin that is presently priced at 4.6 cents and has a market capitalization of almost $6 billion. Which puts it on the 13th place on the global cryptocurrency rating. The currently available supply of Dogecoin is just slightly above 128 billion coins. It is important to grasp the projected changes in supply to properly calculate future market capitalization, hence the future price of the cryptocurrency. The trading volume data allows us to assess the overall strength of the trend, which in turn provides means for a more precise Doge price forecast and predicts the shifts in supply and demand that play a decisive role in price changes in both immediate and distant futures. According to CoinMarketCap.com, Dogecoin's trading volume for the past 24 hours is 11,332,200,987. That constitutes the increase from the previous day. The current tendencies with regard to changes in the average trading volume reveal the increasing demand for Dogecoins on the backdrop of the decreasing supply of the corresponding cryptocurrency. To get a better understanding of the recent Doge market fluctuations, the Crypto Volatility Index that clearly depicts the present price dynamics and offers some hints at the possible scenarios of future price action was introduced. Most traders come to the cryptocurrency market in search of digital assets that promise high and extremely high returns, which is achieved among other things through volatility that is inherent in this space. And even though the capability of most cryptocurrencies to showcase tremendous gains has been hampered by recent crises, they still remain the point of attraction for those who see this market as a good alternative to stocks, forex, and other traditional markets. Therefore, volatility represents an immensely important aspect of crypto trading. Crypto rating always proceeds from a range of factors when analyzing the price of Dogecoin and offering short, medium, and long-term price prediction, using their proprietary algorithm that successfully incorporates artificial intelligence and specifically deep learning mechanisms. Employing the volatility index provides a profound insight into the underlying sentiments in the Dogecoin market as it accurately depicts the mood of the participants. Before delving into a more detailed Dogecoin price prediction, a short recap of the history of the Crypto Volatility Index, the mechanism of its calculation, and also a few important tips on how to trade when CVIX is low seem worthwhile. The representative of the traditional markets, the Chicago Board Options Exchange, served as a birthplace of the Volatility Index. The primary purpose of the Volatility Index is to efficiently measure the expectations of market participants concerning the price movements of the S&P 500 index over the coming 30 days. A quick reminder that the S&P 500 is arguably the most important equity index that reflects the performance of America's top 500 corporations such as Google, Facebook, and Apple. Taking into consideration the crypto market demands and specificity, the Volatility Index was reinvented. The original index was used as the foundation and added the showings derived from the crypto market that has been developing dynamically over the last several years. The Crypto Volatility Index effectively reflects the 30-day backward-looking volatility within the 10% range. The Crypto Volatility Index has been incorporated into the price prediction model due to several key factors. 1. It's arguably one of the most effective instruments for determining the crowd expectations, a critical element of price movement. 2. The index also takes into account the occurrences in the crypto market that has a proven and increasing correlation with the Bitcoin price action, a dominant cryptocurrency that exerts a profound impact on the altcoin market, including that of Dogecoin. And 3. The bullish convergences arises when the Crypto Volatility Index is going down, whereas the price starts plotting to the upside. In that case, the algorithm will conclude that there is a high probability of the upside action over the designated period of time. To summarize, the Crypto Volatility Index displays how fearful are the market participants of the price of Dogecoin dropping significantly over the last 30 days, which is synonymous with the expected negative volatility. If the index is high, it flashes red and signals the increased probability of sharp price fluctuations. The green index, on the other hand, means that participants expect the market to remain calm and predictable over the set period of time. Yellow Volatility Index is a moderate value, meaning the traders are to expect some swings to the upside or the downside, but without any disruptive changes over the overall trend structure. The Crypto Volatility Index of Dogecoin is currently flashing at 94, which means that traders must brace themselves for significant price fluctuations that need to be dealt with accordingly. The most basic approach to use when trading with Crypto Volatility Index in any market, whether it is cryptocurrency or stocks, is to set the buy triggers when the volatility goes overboard. The fear is prevailing in the Dogecoin market that will subsequently lead to a substantial price drop. For those traders who already acquired a position, the high red CVIX implies that the time has come to elaborate on an exit strategy, since high volatility combined with fearful sentiment generally results in a sizable price drop. The current price of Dogecoin is 4.6 cents, established on the back of the 47.28% increase in the last 24 hours. In the past 30 days, the price of Dogecoin has increased by 379%. While its accomplishments on the one-year time frame amount to 1,316%. The expected volatility for the next 10 to 15 days is at its highest values. This is a chart showing Doge USD. 84% to 625% profit is expected. There's huge trade coming for Dogecoin, 6 to 7-fold gains expected. Based on the AB equals CD pattern, time ratio, and Gann analysis, it's a potential long position with great returns in a lower time frame. This long position has also been confirmed. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. Would you like to know more about Dogecoin? Let us know your answers by placing them in the comment section below. Good luck and happy investing.